Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card in iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pro. So here is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and to insert SIM card you need to look first into the box, because here we have a little pin, and here there is. And with this one we'll remove the SIM tray from the phone, and for that just look in the left side of your phone, and here is the SIM tray. Here we have a little hole, and you need to put this pin inside the hole and push it like this. And now remove the SIM tray, and let's take a closer look. And here we can put one nano SIM, and on the other side we can't put anything. So if you want to use two SIM cards on this iPhone, the second one you need to activate it as a eSIM. Now let's put the SIM card, and you need a nano SIM. Here there is, and the right position is like this. Okay. And now just put back the SIM tray like this and push it. And here we have now the signal. And if you have a pin on the SIM card, you need to enter it, and that's all. Okay. Now to remove the SIM card, again, just put this needle here into the hole and push it. No SIM available, just tap OK. Remove the SIM tray and remove the SIM, and put it back, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.